Hello, welcome to VSF Technology. I am Meena Seni. Today topic quicksort. Quicksort. The quicksort algorithm attempts to separate the list of elements into two parts and then sort each part recursively. It uses divide and conquer method. In this method, the partition of list is performed based on the element called pivot element. The list is divided into two partitions such that all elements to the left pivot are smaller than the pivot and all elements of pivot are greater than or equal to pivot. Algorithm. In quicksort algorithm, partitioning of the list is performed using following steps. Step 1. Consider the first element of the list as pivot I.e element at first position in the list. Step 2. Define two variables I and j. Set I and j to first and last elements of the list respectively. Step 3. Increment I until list I greater than pivot then stop. Step 4. Decrement j until list j less than pivot then stop. Step 5. If I less than j, then exchange list I and list j. Step 6. Repeat steps 3, 4 and 5 until I greater than j. Step 7. Exchange the pivot element with list j element. Example. Consider the following unsorted list of elements. We have an unsorted list. Define pivot left and right. Set pivot element in index 0, left element in index 1 and right element in index 7. Here 7 indicates size minus 1. Compare list left with list pivot. If list left is greater than list pivot, then stop left, otherwise move left to the next. Compare list right with list pivot. If list right is smaller than list pivot, then stop right, otherwise move right to the previous. Repeat the same until left greater than equal right. If both left and right are stopped but left less than right, then swap list left with list right and continue the process. If left greater than equal right, then swap list pivot with list right. Compare list left less than list pivot as it is true, increment left by 1 and repeat the same. Left will stop at. Compare list right greater than list pivot as it is true, decrement right by 1 and repeat the same. Right will stop 2. Here left and right both are stopped and left is not greater than right, so we need to swap list left and list right. So element 2 and element 8 we will be swap. Compare list left less than list pivot as it is true, increment left by 1 and repeat the same. Left will stop at 6. Again compare list right greater than list pivot as it is true, decrement right by 1 and repeat the same. Right will stop at 4. So pivot element 5. Now right element 4 and left element 6. Here and right both are stopped and left is greater than right, so we need to swap list pivot and list right. So we will be pivot element swap index 4. Here we can observe that all the numbers to the left side of 5 are smaller and right side are greater. That means pivot elements to the left side all elements smaller and right side the all elements greater. That means 5 is placed in its correct position. Repeat the same process on the left sublist and right sublist to the number 5. So we have first sublist index 0 to index 3 and right sublist index 5 to index 7. So first sublist element 4 pivot element, index 1 left and index 3 right. Second sublist pivot element 6 left element index 7, right element index 7. In the left sublist, as there are no smaller number than the pivot left will keep on moving to the next and stops at last number. As the list right is smaller, right stop at same position. Now left and right both are equal, so we swap pivot with right. So right sublist pivot element 6, left element 8 and right element 7. In the right sublist left is greater than the pivot, left will stop at same position. As the list right is greater than list pivot, right moves towards left and stop at pivot number position. Now left greater than right, so we swap pivot with right. 6 is swapped by itself. Repeat the same recursively on both left and right sublist until all the numbers are sorted. The final sorted list will be as follows. Now see complexity of the quicksort algorithm. To sort an unsorted list with n number of elements, we need to make n-1 plus n-2 plus n-3 like this one is equal to n-1 by 2. Number of comparisons in the worst case, if the list is already sorted, then it requires n number of comparisons. So worst case of complexity big O n2, best case of complexity big O n log n, and average case of complexity big O n log n.